Trump signs executive order calling for fewer childhood vaccinations. The order, signed at the White House, urges a reduction in mandatory vaccines for children. It could reshape U.S. public health policy and spark legal challenges over vaccine mandates. The move follows a long debate over parental choice and public safety. The order's impact remains uncertain as courts may weigh in on its legality. The order could reshape U.S. public health policy and spark legal challenges over vaccine mandates. Courts may weigh in on its legality, potentially leading to lawsuits and regulatory reviews. The decision could affect how schools and employers enforce vaccination requirements. Public health officials warn that reduced mandates might lower herd immunity. The outcome remains uncertain as legal experts debate the order's constitutionality. Uncertain legal and public health outcomes remain as potential court rulings are pending. The order's impact on vaccine coverage and disease prevention is unclear. Public health experts caution that reduced mandates could lower herd immunity and increase outbreak risks. The legal debate centers on the balance between individual choice and community protection. How the courts interpret the order will shape future vaccination policies. Trump extends the Jones Act waiver for 90 days, narrowing its scope. The waiver allows certain U.S. vessels to operate without the usual restrictions, affecting maritime commerce. The new waiver limits the exemption to only U.S. vessels carrying certain goods, excluding many commercial ships. This change tightens the rules for maritime operators and could shift shipping routes. The 90-day extension is temporary, and future policy changes remain uncertain. Shipping companies must monitor the waiver's duration and potential adjustments to avoid disruptions. A 7.4 magnitude quake in Colombia killed more than 100 people and trapped many in collapsed buildings. The tremors struck the western region, shattering homes and infrastructure. Emergency services rushed to the epicenter, but the sheer scale of the damage overwhelmed initial response efforts. The disaster has left thousands displaced and the country scrambling for aid. Rescue teams are still combing through rubble in the quake-hit areas, searching for survivors as casualty numbers may rise. The Colombian government has mobilized additional resources, but the extent of the damage remains unclear. Many trapped individuals await rescue, and the international community is preparing to provide aid. The situation remains fluid, with updates pending as more information emerges.